Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be solving a proof kind of sum related to Laplace transforms. Here we'll be proving the Laplace property of differentiation in time domain using this input, that is x of t is equal to e raised to at u of t. So let's start. You know that differentiation property, what does it state? Differentiation property, it states that if you differentiate a signal in the time domain and if x of t's Laplace transform is x of s, so differentiation in time domain will give us is s into x of s minus x of 0 plus. So to prove this, what we will do is, first we will take the Laplace transform of x of t, that we'll get x of s. Then we'll take the differentiation of x of t and find out the x of s, that we'll keep as LHS. And then for the RHS, what we'll do is find the x of s that we got, we will substitute in this equation and find out the value, that will be our RHS. If they are equal, we will be able to prove that this differentiation property is true of Laplace transform. So let's start. X of t here is e raised to at u of t. If you have not gone through the properties video, you can go through that. It will make it easier for you to solve Laplace transform examples without solving them using the integrals. And x of t, when it's e raised to at u of t, what is the Laplace transform? Again, for this you can go through the transforms table of transforms video. So what does it say? E raised to at u of t Laplace transform is 1 by s minus a. This is our x of s. Now for the LHS, what did we say? That we'll take d by dt of x of t and find out the Laplace transform of that. D by dt of x of t means it's going to be a into e raised to at, correct? Now what will this change in the s domain? Just you have to multiply it by a, because it's just a constant which is getting multiplied. So a resultant Laplace transform is going to be a by s minus a, right? Now we go to the RHS part. RHS for us will be s, this part, s into x of s minus x of 0 plus s into x of s minus x of 0 plus. This is the time domain signal that you have to remember. So s into x of s will be, x of s is 1 by s minus a, so it will be s by s minus a minus x of 0. X of 0 for us will be e raised to 0, which is 1, and u of 0. U of 0, the unit step signal is what? This kind of a signal. So at 0 the value is 1, and similarly at other values. So at u of 0 is 1, that we know. So 1 into 1 is 1. So can we say that it is 1? So it will be minus 1. Now we'll solve this. What will we get? S minus a upon s minus a. So this will give us s minus s plus a upon s minus a. So this will be a by s minus a. So we have cancel s and s, and the resultant is s minus a. Now, if we check the LHS, we can see that LHS and RHS are equal. So we have proved the differentiation property of the Laplace transform using this input. X of t is equal to e raised to at u of t. Hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubts related to this video or any other video, please mention them in the comments of our videos. If your doubt is in the form of an image, you could send them to edututorials252@gmail.com and inform me in the comments of any of our videos so that I can go through the email. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.